Hi, my name is Myra Cagete. Today I'm going to give you a grammar quiz. There are only 4 questions in this quiz. Let's see if you can answer them all correctly. Number 1. The wedding ceremony continued blank the bad weather. A. Regardless. B. Despite of. C. Despite. D. In spite. The answer is C. Despite. Despite means in spite of, even though, or although. It expresses a contrast between two things. We don't add of after despite. In Filipino, despite could mean sa kabila ng o kahit na. Nagpatuloy ang kasal kahit na masama ang panahon. The wedding ceremony continued despite the bad weather. Number 2. We won't go to the playground blank you've already finished your homework. A. After. B. Before. C. When. D. Unless. The answer is D. Unless. Unless means except if. In Filipino, it could mean pwera na lang kung. Hindi tayo pupunta sa palaruan, pwera na lang kung natapos mo na ang iyong takdang aralin. We won't go to the playground unless you've already finished your homework. Number 3. The phone has been ringing for around 2 minutes. I wonder why nobody blanked to answer it. A. Want. B. Wants. C. Will want. D. Has want. The answer is B. Wants. In subject-verb agreement, the indefinite pronouns everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, someone, somebody, no one, and nobody are always singular. Therefore, they require singular verbs. A singular verb usually has an ES or an S at the end, just like goes. G-O-E-S. So, karaniwan ganyan. Ang isang action verb na katulad ng go ay dadagdagan lang natin ng ES o kaya S para maging singular. So, we say goes, does, walks, speaks. Ang has at is ay mga singular verbs din in the present form. Kapag plural naman ang inyong verb, hindi nyo na kailangan dagdagan ng S or ES. Number 4. Neither my husband nor I blank attending the family reunion today. A. Is. B. Am. C. Are. D. Were. The answer is B. Am. Two singular subjects connected by either or neither nor require a singular verb. When one of your two subjects is I, put it second and follow it with a singular verb am. I am. Neither my husband nor I am attending the family reunion today. Did you perfect the quiz today? Let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll see you again next time.